Greetings and welcome. This is a video tutorial on how to merge courses in Brightspace. So we will no longer at TCDSB be filling out forms, sending requests. The power to merge your courses is in your lovely and beautiful, capable hands. So your first step is to log into Brightspace. Now, please note, as always, we typically merge before students start submitting work and you start assessing, because merging, as always, just means moving students. It doesn't move student work though, okay? So please make sure you're doing this at the start of terms before you start getting data, because that data actually stays in the course shell. It doesn't stay with the student, and that's always been the case. So once you log in, this is using a browser. That's best practice to do this is on a browser, is you're going to click your admin tools cog button here. Now the default is pinned, and if you have never used this and not pinned anything, you'll have nothing here. So we're going to switch to all, and it shouldn't be a very long list, but if it is, you can either click search here for merge, or click on the course merge button just down here. And you can obviously pin it if you'd like, so it stays in that pinned application. Now, as a test account and a power user here at the board, I have lots of courses here, but your list should be significantly smaller than mine. But some of you may have lots and lots of shells. So typically when we are looking for certain things, we want to be specific. So to search for specific courses for a semester or a term, you're putting in the last 4 digits of the academic year. So in this case, 25-26, and then the semester. So it's SEM2, no spaces, and I'm just going to do a search. You may have 8 classes here, you may have 12, 20, whatever it is. And all you're doing is you're reading your list and you're finding, let's say you have just one merge to do. And for all intents and purposes, it's these 2 drama classes together. Okay, so obviously your course codes are here and you can read them carefully. And then you select and you click merge. And in this window, it's asking you which course is going to be primary. So enrolled users, everyone is going into which class. So let's say this said O2, so I want my O2s to go into this O1 class. And it's telling you, okay, everybody's going in here. You're going to have 2 classes in here in total. Let's merge it. Now, because they're empty, it's right before the start of a semester. This won't take very long. You'll get a notification here, but sometimes there's a delay in that little orange ding. So I'm just going to refresh my page, and let's refresh it again. And there it is. It's done. How can you see the merge? Well, for yourselves, you would probably see it right here on your page, but because I have access to so many, I can click on the bell and go in here. And this is showing me that this course has successfully merged into this course. To show you what it looks like in the other screen, you most likely would not have to search it. It would just be on your list there, but it also looks like this. And if you click the View Merged Courses, it brings you to this window here.